Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. At this time, I want to present about my review paper is the title, A Review of Fast Food Consumption of SOC Students, Impact on Student Health and Overweight Status. This paper made by me, Rifchandra Muhammad. My email is rifchandra@gmail.com. The first section is abstract. Actually, abstract is a brief part that include the summary of our review paper. The part that reader can get the preview of the paper. The first abstract include the background of the review paper. The next is objective of review paper, the method, result, and finally the conclusion of review paper. In this review paper, I use keyword fast food, student, health, and overweight. The next section is introduction. Actually, introduction is in review paper, just explain a brief of the definition of the title, I mean the domain of the title. In first paragraph, I explain the definition of the fast food. The next is also about the fast food, the related to fast food. And the next paragraph is about other domain is overweight. And the last is the paragraph about the SOC in University Utara Malaysia. The next section is the methods. Methods is actually method that the method that I how I did the review paper, how I get the paper that related to my title. In order to examine the impact of fast food consumption on SOC student, we try to search and investigate data from multiple sources, such as data published by the industry and the other research papers. The keyword that I use is student, fast food, health, and overweight. Total of 20 papers and reports fulfill my selection criteria and involve. The criteria is the article is publishing in English, the reference list between 2015 and 2020. The study population study populations are the student and the studies required to report on the impact of fast food consumption among university students. The information gathered from each research consists the year of article published, title of related articles, author of research paper, data collection, sampling frame, main outcome, performance metric, future work, and study limitation. The next section is result. From the 20 articles that we classify by using the search keyword, the full transcript of the 20 articles was reviewed on the basis of the selection criteria for the study. All study investigated students' fast food consumption, impact on student health, and overweight status have been included in this review. In this review paper, I input the table of our review article that I include in this review. There are year of publish, title, author, and references. Next, the method, data, result or outcome, performance metric or measure, and the last is future works or limitations. In this table contains 20 articles. The year between 2015 until 2020. The next section is discussion. In this part, in discussion, this is the part that This is the part that I used to put the summary. In this review, 20 research works on fast food consumption among university students, which have an effect on students' health and overweight status. This pool was made up of studies from different research design and study areas. Even though fast food consumption among university students had a negative impact on body health and overweight, the majority of the studies focus for that relationship its association with the other weight-related habits, including the intensity of food consumption, dietary quality score, and physical exercise, were all mixed or not significant. This review was limited by the amount of studies conducted. We also observed that most of the included studies were cross-sectional studies. This prevents us from observing the impact of fast food consumption on student health and overweight over time. Future studies were needed to focus on associations in order to examine their causality. The next is conclusion. The study reveals a rather mixed impact on health and overweight status of consumption of fast food. Methods for defining and measuring overweight status need to be improved in order to achieve a better result. Research on the paths from the impact of fast food consumption on student health is also needed to make students more socially aware of the inadequate impact of fast food among university students. The last section is the references. There are 27 references uh, that I get to create this review paper. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.